Hi, it's Wednesday, September 9th. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and once again, California is on fire. I don't know if you can see in the video, but we have this weird, surrealistic, orangey glow as the hillsides and the Bay Area is under a cloud of smoke from the fires. Normally, from this view, right there, you can see Mount Diablo. Mount Diablo, in the video, you can almost see it. In real life, not so much. It's very surrealistic. I imagine that this is what it was like when the asteroid hit the Earth and the dinosaurs all died. So along with everything else that's going on in the world today, we're faced with this. This morning when I left my house, my car, which was parked in the driveway last night, had a nice layer of ash all over it, including the windshield, which fortunately blew off as I got on the road to come here this morning. So we're in the middle of fire season once again in California. This is becoming more and more of a regular thing. Fortunately, the fires are not where we are located. The nearest one from us is about 40-50 miles away. However, as I understand, smoke blankets most of northern and southern California because they're on fire down there too. Plus now they have their Santa Ana winds, which are really strong winds that blow east to west and make the fires even worse. And the smoke from our fires join up with all the other smoke from other fires in other states and have gone as far east as like Wyoming and North and South Dakota. So we're doing just a really swell job of ruining the planet. So don't fear, we are here, we are working, and we are doing our best to deal with all of this, but it's really, really, really annoying. That's it, just a quick update. Fire season, September 2020.